So, thumbs up on the info and the manual. Gotta give it to him on that. Gotta give it to him on that. This is pretty much the product. I know you see it smashed down right here. That was me playing with it earlier. But it's pretty solid stuff. It's got some flexibility to it. Look at another sheet. And that's enough for my project. The smell isn't obnoxious. It's not like some Deadeners where it's real tarry. Like, you know, you guys know what I'm talking about. But I was trying to see if they showed exactly what's in it, but of course they're not. Hey, this is our recipe. You know, they're not gonna do that, so yeah. That's pretty much that. If you're wondering what's with the little ripples, these little rectangles, well, when you roll it out, these are designed to be rolled out. They actually say it in the manual to roll until you don't see these squares, these little rectangles anymore, and that's how you know you achieve proper application. All right, and then speaking of rollers, don't laugh at me, but I've had this for quite a while. I love it. It's actually I have an actual roller somewhere, but I lost it, and I don't care to find it. This works much better, and I like it way better. Yeah, the handle is a little on the hardcore side, but you know, it really does its job. Trust me. All right, what do we have here? Bam! We got a thump. 80 watts. It's an 8-inch driver, but 80 watts on this. Oh, I don't think so. Like probably 10 or 20 watts. And I'm really thinking about you guys running Crossfire component, B2 Audio, Fosgate Pros. Man, get rid of that garbage. Get you some thumps so you can thump. I can't even talk. Anyway, nah, for real though. When I tested the radio, these things actually do what they say they do. They put out a nice little thump. I actually bought a pair of these, well, a couple of pairs of these, because I was gonna make like a little boombox house party type setup to go possibly maybe on a roof or something. And don't care if they get weathered or don't care if road rash or whatever. Just a careless, fun project that I planned on probably throwing in the trash can once I was done. So, just thinking about thumping. I want you guys to thump. So, I'm giving 2 of these away. The way to win these is to figure out how many sheets of Kilmat I will use on my roof. Now, I don't know how many layers I'm going to do. I'm not going to tell you guys how many layers. But I'm just going to take the sheets, full sheets, on the roof they go. The person that comments how many sheets I use of this Kilmat, just on the roof section, nowhere else, just the roof, I'll win a set of the thumps. It's that time today. We're going to get this fat thing in that hole. Sound right. We're going to leave that alone, y'all. This is a PG show. It's called the Team Show. Team Resilient 15 loading up in a box show. Man, this is hard work. I ain't going to even front y'all. Yeah. There we go. Y'all see me? Yeah, I can see me. All right, here we go. Team 15 into the hole. Damn. All right, so same as last time, bro.
Up there.
Yeah. All right. And I'm gonna just tell you right now, orientation of terminals, I do not care. That's my level of energy right now.
Ready?
We going on this thing right here.
Yeah.
We going on this thing right. 1, 2, 3. Goodness gracious. We made it. We made it. Alright, I think last time I rotated it over, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Just like that. Yeah, I did.
Ready?
Nope.
I said the magnet. Oh, you want to flip it from right here?
You could? Yeah. Why not? Because that motor is
right on the edge.
Uh-oh. No, we can't back it up. Damn. The seat just slid. Can you push the seat back? Pick it up a little bit.
On which one, mine or yours?
No, the armrest. It's got a little sliding armrest crappy thing, man. It's stupid.
All right.
It's real stupid how they make this. All right, so we lifting up on it here?
Yep.
That's what we doing? Hey, wait them terminals in there. I don't want no terminals. Let me know when you're ready.
Yep.
1, 2, 3. We did it. Yes. Yes. All right. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna have to teeter this thing out right here and hold it. I'll be able to do it. Yeah, we can back it up a little bit. Alright, I see the teetering going on. Let me pick it up. We'll try to.
No, you ain't gonna do all that. We will walk it.
Let's see if I can. God damn it. I'm trying to be
Watch your fingers.
Yeah. This one's in the way.
This one we're gonna have to. And then we're gonna have to drop it into the hole.
Yeah.
And then
slide it back. Yeah.
Do it that way.
Yep. Let's keep it off this one here.
Easy.
Man, this is crazy. Alright, you ready? I'm about to pick it up. I'm going for it.
Oh no, there ain't no more left.
Yeah, there we go. Alright. On the count of 3, you ready?
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Alright.
Yeah,
So
like you said, yeah, drop it into the hole.
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm gonna just support as much of this as I can, and then I'll let you try to work it up.
Gotcha.
Alright, you ready? I think I'm ready. Alright, ready?
Yep.
I'm not ready. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we down.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Got that big puppy up here. Oh yeah, we gotta teeter forward, huh?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Right there.
Right there. Right there's looking good. Good. Yeah, push it forward a little bit more, huh? Yeah, right there. Oh shit, I do not want that motherfucker to fall. Good. Yep. So far. Did we get lucky?
You just gotta go a little bit back this way and then look good.
I don't know. I can't tell you. I'm so fucking tired.
Right here is the wall. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, you got a good gap over here. Oh man, I got real estate. And I hardly have none here, so I'll take it back. Yeah, it's moving. I feel it. Yeah, it's moving. Alright.
No, it's
You was a pimp in your pastime, wasn't you? That slap you
I think
had.
so.
You had the you slapping good magnet, good ass. There we go. Man. Ooh, look at that. Get the fingerprints off of you. Yeah, look at that. Man, get you a picture. Yeah, definitely get you. I ain't gonna even get a chance to wear out none tomorrow. I know. I'm gonna be slapping these speakers all morning. Yep. So I got the black theme, black and white theme. I should have painted the floor white so the light will shine off a little bit better.
So, what do you think exactly are you gonna see?
You know what?
Because I was about to say, if you're only gonna see like from like here this way in the back, let's say tape it off right here, split the box, do this back portion white where the neon's gonna be.